Hi and welcome back. Beerly, that's me. I'm so glad you're here with me today. I do hope that you have given this video or my other videos a thumb up. Please, if you will, hit subscribe. I would greatly appreciate that. And also hit that notification bell so that you can get reminded anytime a new video comes out. Today I will be showing you my Snow White costume that I put together for around $5 to $10. You've already got this face look and this hair look down on previous videos. If you haven't seen them, feel free to go watch. And now we'll go through my costume. Hey! First off is this blue flowered shirt with a button up, V-neck. I've had this for several months, maybe even years. I believe that I got it from Belk. I could be wrong. It is Wonderly. Size medium. This was my original inspiration to do Snow White. I already had this shirt and I was like, hey, I could do Snow White. This kind of looks Snow White-ish. So then I went to our local discount store called Dirt Cheap, where I found my other two items that worked perfectly to complete this outfit. I'm so excited to have this costume. Under the blue Wonderly shirt, I have this red shirt. Super cute. It's got puffy sleeves. It's got a very high waistline and poofy waist bottom. I don't know what part of the shirt you would call that. It is from Just One size large. And that's going to go underneath it. It'll give my shoulders enough puff. So I needed a yellow color skirt. I could not find one. I had a specific shade of yellow in mind, kind of mustard yellow. Once again, I found this dress from Dirt Cheap. And it looks like it's brand Charmed Hearts, large. I'm gonna put these on and let you see the complete look. So that's it, y'all. That's my take on Snow White for me for this Halloween. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you did, give me a thumbs up and please share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time. Beerly, that's me, and I'll BRB on my next video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.